Hello developers, today we are going to see how to use a segment control in React. So this is our desired output of this video. In this, it is showing the multiple segments with their respective view sections. So let's get into it. This is our basic React app with a simple text output. First, let's import the components in our app like segment control and React. And we don't need this part, so let's remove it and try to export default app here. Now let's create the app and let's create the view section for our tabs, and we can assign the container style to it. Now let's call the segment control here, and with the segment property we can provide the data to the segment control. Now let's create the data for the segment. This title will be visible on the screen, and when we click on the title it will show us the view section. Now let's create the return function for the one and give some message in it, and let's assign a style to it and call it text. After this, let's add some properties in it like align cells and margin. Now let's create more data segments. For that we can reuse this part, so paste it and change the title and view function for every segment. After that, to create the data for the segment, we can reuse this part. So paste it and change the function calling name with respect to the view of the segment and some changes in the message. Now let's open the terminal in the folder and close the previous app, and let's go to the article which have the installation process and properties of the segment control, which will help you to create your own custom segments. And it also have the direct source code. Now let's copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Wait for the installation. Now run the app with the expo start. So we got the output, and we can ignore these warnings. Apart from that, it is showing the correct data and we got our desired output. So that's it guys. Make sure to check out the website. It have direct source code and installation process which will help you to build the awesome React Native apps. So like this video and give sub to this channel, and see you in next one.